Good day, my wonderful learners. Today we want to consider percentage loss. Percentage loss is equals to loss over cost price times 100%. And today we want to solve one example. A trader bought an article for 500 naira and sold it for 485 naira. Find his percentage loss. When the cost price is more than the selling price, it simply shows that the trader is at loss, because from here the amount that he bought it, which was the cost price, was 500 naira and the selling price was 485 naira. So loss here is equals to cost price minus selling price, and this will give us 500 minus 485 naira, which is 15 naira. So percentage loss is equals to loss over cost price times 100%. And here we are going to have 15 over 500 naira times 100%. So naira will eliminate naira, 20 cancel, 20 here, 5 here 1, 5 here 3. So that means the answer is 3%. Thank you.